Woodworking is the art and skill of crafting items from wood. If you're a beginner who wants to learn about woodworking, this video is for you. In this beginner's guide, we'll cover the basics of woodworking and give you the essential knowledge to get started. Before you start woodworking, it's important to have the right tools. Some essential woodworking tools include a saw, a measuring tape, sandpaper, a drill, and a hammer. These tools will help you make precise cuts and ensure that your finished product looks professional. Choosing the right wood is an important part of woodworking. You'll want to use wood that is sturdy and easy to work with. Some popular choices for beginners include pine, cedar, and redwood. You'll also want to consider the thickness and texture of the wood. Making your first cut can be intimidating, but with the right technique and tools, it can be easy. Use a measuring tape to mark where you want to make the cut, and then use a saw to carefully cut the wood. Make sure to follow all safety guidelines and wear protective gear. Finishing your project is the final step in woodworking. You'll want to sand any rough edges and apply a finish to protect the wood. Some popular finishes include varnish, paint, and stain. With the right tools and techniques, you can create a beautiful finished product.